Okay, let's go for inspection your machine. And firstly, I will lead you with our factory of the spare parts area. And see, here is a control cabinet. It's for welded machine.
These are all cabinets.
Yes, all cabinet. And this for engineer for making the parts, all electric parts. Yes. Yes, your machine cabinet will be like this. We use the famous brand like the ABB, Sander, and the Panasonic. Yes. And on the cabinet, it has both Chinese and English. And here's our spare parts area. And here's the electrodes, the welding electrode, yes. This square, and this longer, wider. So the small one, it can weld one welding point. One point.
1 point.
Yes, if you want make a narrow space, you use the biggest, the longer. Yes, longer. You can weld here 1 point, another point. It can weld 2 points together. Have a look at our stretching system. This is our design stretching cutting machine. We designed according to the ideal the Warfield's machine.
Okay.
It's from Europe.
From Europe.
Yes, it's the stretching mode.
So you can design it according to the
Yes.
requirements.
Yes.
Okay.
This on this mode, the wire can be straight and without where the wire surface is damaged, no damage on the surface.
Yeah, it's not gonna
Yes.
damage.
And next, let's have a look at our machine manufacturing area. Here's our machine manufacturing area, and this is raw material. This is ours. Yes. Before we buy this material, it's steel plate, and we cut it into space, and cut it with the shape, and with that saddle lifting machine. And this is our machine platform. We will install the machine on this platform. Can make sure this machine is on very flat, it's a free flat platform. It's a drilling machine. Make the hole on the pipe, on the steel pipe. We will install the machine with the screw and make it tight. Here's our cutting machine. It cuts the steel pipe or steel into small pieces. And this blue one is the sand blasting machine. Right. You know, this blasting machine. It can. When this machine working, it will the function is that it can remove the rust from the iron surface. Yes, surface iron, make it clean and flat and. After making the surface of the machine cleaning, then we can painting, so it will look very beautiful and just like the water, like the glass. It's your chicken cage welding machine, and this your machine then will feed from coil. Yes, from coil it can put like 100 kg into the coil and insert from this wire threading system. Yes, and it will get through this threading system and it will be straight. On this way, your mesh will be straight. And your cross wires should be pre-cut and pre-straighted. And if this both line wire and cross wire is straight, it can make sure after welding, after high-speed welding, the mesh will be flat. And when it cuts, you can make the cage square shape. See, it's the same as my quotation shot. Use the air brake, the Schneider electric part is Panasonic servo driver.
Yeah.
Yes, and the Panasonic power. And all the electric line, we make it number. Every line has its number. You can, when you get to the machine, you can connect the line. Just yes,
so
just attach with the number.
it will make it easier. For
Yes,
when you're
easier.
installing the machine.
Yes, all the contactor has number. You can 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, okay.
1 to 15. And with the machine, we will give the drawing, electric drawing. You can ask your electrician. Yes, you can connect the line with the drawing. And when this mesh finished, it will cut automatically and fall. 行了，可以了，挺好。